On a quiet night, village sparkled with stars. A small house in the woods, light spilling from the window. Yuli gazed out, speaking with the stars. Lugi, curled up in a blanket, was dreaming. The sky changed. The red moon overlapped. Yuli's eyes widened. Something felt wrong. The world swirled in a magical vortex. Yuli stepped into the magical forest. A whisper of "Help me" echoed through the air. Lugi's body began to glow. The outside was quiet, and the stars vanished. "Yuli, it's time," said Lugi. Yuli looked at Lugi, startled. They quietly descended to the lower floor. The old door opened by itself. A glowing book fell down before them. The words, "The door will awaken," appeared. The letters sparkled on Yuli's glasses. The book showed 3 keys and a picture of a monster. The pages turned, and the wind swirled around the room. Light surrounded Yuli and Lugi. The book fragments transformed into a glowing necklace. Yuli looked at Lugi, making a decision. The forest trembled, and darkness approached. A monster awakened somewhere. Lugi perked up, sensing something. Yuli packed her bag. "It's okay, we'll go together," Yuli whispered. The 2 shadows disappeared into the forest.